Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Want to actually speak Hebrew with people, not just memorize words? In this lesson, I'll teach you real-life Hebrew sentences you can use the next time you meet people. By the end of this video, you'll know how to confidently start a conversation, remember someone's name, and keep the dialogue going. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To ask, what are you doing these days? When speaking to a male, say, מה אתה עושה בימים אלה? מה, what, אתה, you, singular male, עושה, doing, singular male, בימים, in days, אלה, these. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה את עושה בימים אלה? מה, what, את, you, singular female, עושה, doing, singular female, בימים, in days, אלה, these. To ask, what do you do for work? When speaking to a male, ask, במה אתה עובד? במה, in what, אתה, you, singular male, עובד, work, singular male. And when speaking to a female, say, במה את עובדת? במה, in what, את, you, singular female, עובדת, work, singular female. To ask, where are you originally from? When speaking to a male, ask, מאיפה אתה במקור? מאיפה, from where, אתה, you, singular male, במקור, in the origin. And when speaking to a female, ask, מאיפה את במקור? To ask, what are your hobbies? When speaking to a male, ask, מה התחביבים שלך? מה, what, התחביבים, the hobbies, שלך, of yours, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה התחביבים שלך? To ask, what do you like to do in your free time? When speaking to a male, ask, מה אתה אוהב לעשות בשעות הפנאי? מה, what, אתה, you, singular male, אוהב, like, singular male, לעשות, to do, בשעות הפנאי, on the free time. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה את אוהבת לעשות בשעות הפנאי? To ask, do you have kids? When speaking to a male, ask, יש לך ילדים? יש, is there, לך, to you, singular male, ילדים, kids. And when speaking to a female, ask, יש לך ילדים? To ask, where do you live now? When speaking to a male, ask, איפה אתה גר עכשיו? איפה, where, אתה, you, singular male, גר, live or reside, singular male, עכשיו, now. And when speaking to a female, ask איפה את גרה עכשיו? איפה, where, at, you, singular female, גרה, live or reside, singular female, עכשיו, now. To ask, what did you study? When speaking to a male, ask, מה למדת? מה, what, למדת, you studied, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה למדת? מה, what, למדת, you studied, singular female. To say, what a beautiful day today. Say, איזה יום יפה היום. איזה, what, יום, a day, יפה, beautiful, singular male, היום, today. To say, the weather is really pleasant. Say, מזג האוויר ממש נעים. מזג האוויר, the weather, ממש, really, נעים, pleasant, singular male. To say, I heard this is the best place in town. Say, שמעתי שזה המקום הכי טוב בעיר. שמעתי, I heard, שזה, that, this, המקום, the place, הכי טוב, the best, בעיר, in town. To ask, is this your first time here? When speaking to a male, ask, זאת הפעם הראשונה שלך כאן? זאת, this, singular female, הפעם, the time, הראשונה, the first, singular female, שלך, of yours, singular male, כאן, here. And when speaking to a female, ask, זאת הפעם הראשונה שלך כאן? To say, how nice that we met by chance. Say, איזה יופי שנפגשנו במקרה. איזה, what, יופי, beauty, שנפגשנו, that we met, במקרה, by chance. To ask, what do you think about this place? When speaking to a male, ask, מה דעתך על המקום הזה? מה, what, דעתך, your opinion, singular male, על, about, המקום, the place, הזה, this, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה דעתך על המקום הזה? To ask, did you come alone or with someone? When speaking to a male, ask, באת לבד או עם מישהו? באת, you came, singular male, לבד, alone, or, עם, with, מישהו, someone. And when speaking to a female, ask, בת לבד או עם מישהו? To ask, do you know many people here? When speaking to a male, ask, אתה מכיר הרבה אנשים כאן. אתה, you, singular male. מכיר, know, singular male. הרבה, many. אנשים, people. כאן, here. And when speaking to a female, ask, את מכירה הרבה אנשים כאן? את, you, singular female. מכירה, no, singular female. הרבה, many. אנשים, people. כאן, here. To say, I'm here with friends. Say, אני כאן עם חברים. אני, I, כאן, here, עם, with, חברים, friends. To say, I'm here alone. Say, אני כאן לבד. אני, I, כאן, here, לבד, alone. Would you like to download this lesson's worksheet and get even more Hebrew practice? Join my Patreon page and support the channel. Your support helps me keep creating new lessons for you. You can find the link in the description below. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning.